Hello everybody, this is Monica Nagy and I'm here with Michael Vahila. He is a licensed acupuncture for the last 25 years and knows a lot of things about NRF1, which is, Linda and I spoke to you in the last video about NRF2, and now Michael is going to explain to us the importance of NRF1. So Michael, go ahead and if you would be so kind, just tell us everything you know.
Well, you said I only had 2 minutes. So I'll tell you a little bit of what I know.
Okay.
So the NRF piece in either NRF1 or NRF2, that's a protein in the cell that's a messenger protein. And with NRF1, what it does is it activates mitochondria.
Okay.
Think of mitochondria as like a little battery inside the cell. It's the energy powerhouse of the cell.
Okay.
So as we age, we lose charge, just like if you have a flashlight over time that gets weaker and you have to change the battery.
I feel that.
That happens to us too. It happens to our cells. Our batteries are little mitochondrial energy producers. They lose charge and then they also get damaged and eventually don't function at all. So what Protandim NRF1 does is helps prevent mitochondrial dysfunction and helps, you can think of it, and this is just an analogy, this isn't actually what happens in the cell, but you can think of it as stimulating the mitochondria to be more effective and function properly. Also actually helps build new mitochondria.
Oh, okay.
Mitochondrial dysfunction has been linked to many diseases, mental diseases, cancer, Alzheimer's. So it's a big deal. And what's really interesting, and I didn't realize this until recently, if you look in your high school biology book and you see a cell, they'll have little organelles. These are little, just like we have livers and spleens and kidneys, well, cells have little organs. And in the picture, it'll show 1 or 2 mitochondria in the cell. But I just recently learned that mitochondria actually constitute 10% of our body weight.
Oh, wow.
Every cell in our body doesn't have 1 or 2 mitochondria. It has thousands of mitochondria. So if we lose mitochondrial function, that's how you go from that little 3-year-old that you think is hyperactive running around like crazy to the 93-year-old who's not moving that quickly, who's barely able to get, and that's the battery, the charge wearing down, and the number of batteries being less. So we can't completely prevent aging, but something like Protandim NRF1 Synergizer can help maintain mitochondrial integrity and keep the battery functioning as well as it can for as long as it can. And I think that's a worthy goal.
Okay, well, wow, that was a great explanation, and thank you so much. Look forward to talking with you again in the future. Bye-bye.
Bye.